In this video we're looking at how to find the volume of cubes and cuboids using the formula volume equals length times width times height. So first of all we start off with the formula. Volume equals length times width times height, and then we substitute in our values. So instead of the length we put in our 6 centimeters, our 3 centimeters for our width, and our 2 centimeters for the height. 6 times 3 is 18, times 2 is 36 centimeters cubed. Now it's important that you include the cubed sign. This shows that it's volume and that the 3 dimensions have been multiplied. Now let's try another example. So here again we start off with our formula. V equals length times width times height, and we substitute in our values as before. 10 for the length times 8 for the width times 2 for the height. 10 times 8 is 80 times 2 is 160 centimeters cubed. This time we'll do another example and we'll try and find the volume of a cube. And so here we have our cube, length of side 5 centimeters. Again, we start off with our formula. So volume equals length times width times height. As it's a cube, each of the dimensions is going to be 5 centimeters, so it's going to be 5 times 5 times 5. This is the same as 5 cubed. You multiply something by itself 3 times, which gives us 125 centimeters cubed. And let's do one more. So here we have our cube. We can tell that because only one dimension has been given. It's a cube with a length of side of 3 centimeters. So again, start off with our formula. Volume equals length times width times height. 3 times 3 times 3, which is 3 cubed, which is 27 centimeters cubed. In our final example, we look at a cuboid that has dimensions given in different units. In this example, we're asked to find the volume of the cuboid in centimeters. But if we look at the dimensions, we'll see that the length has been given in meters. So before we start, we need to change them all into centimeters. So 0.5 meters is the same as 50 centimeters. And then, as before, we use our formula. Volume equals length times width times height. And we substitute in our values. 50 times 20 times 10. 50 times 20 is 1,000 times 10 is 10,000 centimeters cubed.